Today is extraordinary day. A day that symbolizes determination, collaboration, and success. We had to operate with the big time pressure. Achieving this goal required not only technical know-how, but also teamwork and flexibility and readiness to overcome challenges. Dear employees, today is not the end of the journey, it's just beginning.
Well, months ago, we did not have a clue that there will be plant here. We were still looking for space. We're still looking at options. And now, 12 months later, we have this amazing facility. So, team who was here 12 months ago, who started all that, including Polish team, big thanks. Thank you for joining medmix, and I promise you it's going to be a great journey here.
A mí si me preguntan por qué este proyecto es especial para mí, pues yo lo tengo claro, porque cada vez que nos encontrábamos con un obstáculo, salíamos de él todavía más fortalecidos en nuestra determinación de seguir adelante. Hoy es un día para celebrarlo, el día para mirarnos a los ojos y decir con orgullo que lo hemos conseguido, de daros las gracias por vuestro compromiso, por vuestra determinación, por vuestro esfuerzo, por la cantidad de horas aquí echadas. Y tenerlo claro, no, tenerlo clarísimo. Sin cada uno de vosotros, este logro no hubiese sido posible.
Today, this team will put the flowers as a memory and remaining of the support team that was almost not visible. They were keeping the shadows. So this is the symbol, let it grow like this plant will grow.